Mayor Johnson heads to Washington, D.C. next week to defend Chicago's status as a sanctuary city.
Mayor says he's preparing for tough questions from the Republican-led Oversight Committee. WGN's Patrick Elwood has more from City Hall.
We're going to remain a welcoming city and hold to our values.
Mayor Brandon Johnson today as he prepares to testify before a congressional committee in D.C. next week. He says he will stay the course.
I've never backed down in a fight.
Chicago has been a sanctuary city since 2012 under then Mayor Rahm Emanuel. But in recent years, the number of migrants from the southern border has increased significantly, with many of them being bused here regularly since August of 2022 by Texas Governor Greg Abbott. Many of them have left their homes due to sagging economies in their countries, conflict, or political turmoil. To be sure, in the last presidential election, this was a major issue. And once elected, President Trump wasted no time making good on his campaign promises, dispatching Border Czar Tom Homan to Chicago to oversee the arrests and deportations of who they say they identified as violent convicted criminals.
We're not sweeping neighborhoods. This is a target enforcement operation.
The Trump administration sued Chicago, alleging that sanctuary laws in the nation's third largest city thwart federal efforts to enforce immigration laws. Johnson accepted an invitation from the House Committee on Oversight and Government Reform, along with Boston, Denver, and New York mayors, also in the Fed's crosshairs over this matter.
What I'm prepared to do on March 5th is to stand up for working people. The city of Chicago continues to lead the way. Housing, behavioral health, when it comes to the education system, the way we are showing up in community safety.
Johnson says he has reached out to former Mayor Lori Lightfoot, former Secretary of Education Arnie Duncan, and local congressional reps, and more. WGN TV political analyst Paul Lisnick says the stakes are high for Johnson, and federal funding may be at stake as well.
He will be under oath, which means anything he says in that hearing can and likely will be used against him in a future court proceeding. Politically, the Republican members of that panel will do everything they can to get him to admit or say things that would be detrimental to the city's position.
March 5th or any other day, I'm going to show up. I'm going to show up for the people of Chicago as I've always done. And I can't say I'm looking forward to it, but I will certainly say that when I get there, who I am is who I will remain.
Patrick Elwood, WGN News.